Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Toys Solanan. In today's video you are going to learn the difference between sehen, schauen and gucken. Let's begin with the verb sehen. Sehen means to see or to perceive with the eyes. It often uses in a passive sense like observing something. Let's learn with some examples. Ich sehe den Hund. The usage of verb sehen is basically where you see something with your eyes. Let's do another example. Nach dem Regen sahen wir einen Regenbogen. Let's move on to the verb schauen. Schauen means to look or to watch. It is often used when directing one's gaze at something specific. It is basically used where we are looking at something specific. Let's learn with some examples. Ich schaue auf die Uhr. The verb schauen is mostly used when you are talking about looking at something particular or specific. Let's do another example. Ich schaue gehen Fußball. Let's move on to the verb gucken. Gucken means to look or to peek. It often used for looking at something quickly, peeking, or watching in a casual way. Let's learn with some examples. Wir gucken gerade Fernsehen. The verb gucken is basically used when you are talking about looking at something. Let's do another example. Guck mal. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.